Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Keith and I are super excited to be heading over to the capital of British Columbia, Victoria. And what are we doing there? We are actually going to be staying at the Fairmont Empress, a hotel that we've been dreaming about staying in for so long. Many trips headed over to the island, like every time we pass by it, we're like, you know, how amazing would it be to stay here? And we've finally gotten that opportunity this time with a press trip partnered with the Fairmont. And the Fairmont is part of the Accor family of hotels. And we have actually stayed at a number of different Fairmont hotels over the years. And Keith has even stayed at ones in Asia, in Shanghai. And so it is a brand that is absolutely familiar to us, and not only familiar, but it is for us like family, because one, we stay in them all the time because the level of service is incredible. The quality of the accommodations are so luxurious, and the people, the team, no matter which Fairmont you're staying at, the team is, they really treat you like family. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, and they're so warm and welcoming, and they really make your stay such a pleasant one. And I have honestly stayed in so many different types of hotels around the world, but there really hasn't been a family of hotels that has affected Keith and I as much and in terms of loyalty as the Fairmont. And I can say that really with all honesty, because we really love the brand. No matter which Fairmont you're staying at, you can expect a certain level of luxury, of quality of service, the quality of food and beverages, the types of amenities that are available, just really everything. And also regarding location as well. So the Fairmont Empress that we're going to be going to, it is located in the inner harbor of Victoria, which quite honestly can't get more spectacular than that. And so, it is a central spot where everybody kind of congregates in the city. And, as you can imagine, being right on the inner harbor, the views are also phenomenal. And you can see you'll be able to see the government parliament buildings, as well as the float planes that land to the marina that's right in front of the hotel. It really is a stunning location. So, really what we would expect from the Fairmont brand, but just we're so excited and we can't wait to show you more. We can't wait to stay there. So let's go. Let's stop talking. Let's go. Just checked in, and it's been an incredible experience so far. So tonight Keith and I are going to be heading down to Q Bar for dinner, and then the rest of the activities are going to be happening tomorrow. guys, we just got back from Victoria, and sorry, I'm running around trying to unpack, but what a, relaxing and fun-filled weekend away. So grateful for the Fairmont team who were able to make this happen. Keith and I just had an amazing time, and as expected, right? Like, they are such fantastic hosts when it comes to making sure that your entire experience from check-in to check-out is top tier, and that you're so welcomed, and the quality from the hotel room, like you saw that view that we had, from that to how great the room service was, the welcoming package, to the stunning facilities. Like the entire building is beautiful, from you saw the lobby to the pool area, and oh my gosh, like the Q bar to the veranda to the lobby lounge. Like, everything about this hotel is spells luxury, and I can't wait to go back there and see the team again. Everybody makes you feel so welcome, and so grateful for the Fairmont team to be able to hook us up, and finally, so that Keith and I can have this experience staying at really our dream property, dream hotel in Victoria. It really is unparalleled. So if you have an opportunity to visit Victoria, and even more importantly, an opportunity to stay at the Fairmont Empress, we highly recommend it. It really is probably one of the most beautiful Fairmont properties that we've ever stayed in. And that's saying a lot, because we've stayed in plenty and all of them are really exquisite, but the Empress is really something. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please subscribe if you're able to, or leave us a comment, give us a like, a thumbs up. That would be awesome as well. But until next time, see you soon.